Hello guys, kamusta? Ako si Red Quaresma at welcome back sa aking channel. At kung bago pa lang kayo sa aking channel, huwag niyong kalimutan na mag-subscribe at si-pine rate tiny bell button doon sa baba para updated kayo kung meron ako mga bagong video na i-upload dito sa aking channel. At para sa video ito, another reaction video na naman ang gagawin ko. So magre-react ako guys dito sa cover song ni Jadel Lopez. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood to. So kinanta niya dito yung Still. And sobrang excited ako guys na mapanood tong cover song niya. Kaya i-play na natin to. Without further ado, let's do begin in 1, 2, 3, go. Ang ingay ng mga pusa. Naririnig niyo ba guys? Alright, so here we go. Oh, ang ganda ng boses niya. This video is about calamity and God. Yes.
When calamities come, bagyo, lindol, baha, we feel afraid and powerless. Minsan tanong natin kay Lord, bakit nangyayari ito? But God reminds us that even disasters, He's our
Totoo.
refuge. Kapag natatakot tayo, lumapit tayo sa Diyos. When everything feels uncertain, remember that God is in control. In Psalm 46:1, God is our refuge and strength, a very present help in trouble. Ang Diyos ang ating takbuhan at kalakasan.
Totoo.
Handang tumulong sa oras ng kagipitan. So in times of calamity, let us pray instead of panic.
Yes.
Let us help instead of hide. Let us trust God instead of losing hope.
Wow. Grabe, ang angelic ng voice niya, no? Yung quality ng boses niya. Sarap pakinggan.
Within your mighty
Wow.
hands, when the oceans rise and thunders
Wow.
roar,
Goosebumps.
I will soar with you above the storm. Father, you are king over the flood.
Wow.
I will be still, know you are God. When the oceans rise and thunders roar, I will soar with you above the storm.
Galing.
Father, you are king over the flood. I will be still, know you are God.
Yun. Grabe. Sobrang ganda ng boses niya, no? Sarap-sarap pakinggan, napaka-angelic, and 'di ba, kapag pinapakinggan talaga natin yung kanta na nanggagaling talaga sa puso, talagang mararamdaman mo 'di ba? Talagang tatago siya sa puso.